Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you on this Monday morning? It's the 20th day of March, and a little cool out here as I make this a little bit after 4 o'clock in the morning now, with 47 degrees out at the airport. As I make this at 4:14, it is still winter, but as you watch this video, it's probably going to be spring because spring begins at 5:29 a.m. We have a lot of weather to talk about. Big warm up today and tomorrow, that's one thing, but what has our attention is a big storm system arriving on Saturday that could be severe. Right now, it looks like that's becoming more and more of a reality according to the Storm Prediction Center. And this could be the start of a very active period of time because they're looking way out. I see a couple of other storm systems next week that concern me as well. So we're getting into the heart of our severe weather season here.
All quiet in the eastern U.S. this morning, but we noticed some severe weather, some severe thunderstorm warnings, portions of Illinois, Indiana, and up into Michigan. And we see that frontal system coming out of the plain states today. That stays north of us. We're sunny and warmer. A great first day of spring. Very quiet, and the winds will be light out of the south at 4 to 8 miles per hour. High temperature in the upper 70s today. Low tonight, 55. I wouldn't be surprised if we touch 80 degrees later on today. Tomorrow, the front is still to the north of us. I think the best chance of showers will be up in the Tennessee Valley with this front. We're very warm Tuesday with a high temperature. We'll look at the warmth across the south from Texas all the way in through the southeastern U.S. Mid-80s here on Tuesday, and then the front slips south on Wednesday. I think the rain chances here are small, but not zero. We may have to revisit that tomorrow. I've got the rain chances at under 20%. Then back behind the front, we're breezy and cooler on Thursday. But then we start to we're on the other side of high pressure on Friday, so we start to warm up again as the next formidable storm system approaches with showers and thunderstorms, strong storms. This is the GFS Saturday at noon, showing the stronger storms coming in with a formidable storm system. The actual other global model, the European, is about 6 hours slower. It shows that the biggest threat of storms coming in Saturday night. So there is some question on the timing, but now, just in as I make this, the Storm Prediction Center just issued Day 6 outlook. In other words, the severe weather risk for Saturday. It's very significant when they do it that far out. Then back behind the surface system on Sunday, some leftover showers with the upper level low that'll be cruising through the area. Rainfall amounts probably not excessive, 1 to 2 inches perhaps, as this system moves through. 84 is the high tomorrow, near 80 on Wednesday, with the rain chances not zero. Thursday, we're looking at 74 for a high, breezy, cooler, 20% chance of showers back into the mid-70s on Friday, and then thunderstorms on Saturday. Here's the European out 10 days. It shows the coolest morning is this morning. The warmest day is Tuesday. It shows that Saturday and Saturday night storm system, especially Saturday night, according to the European, and then it shows temperatures back in the 80s the following week. There's specific numbers, again, showing the warmest day Tuesday, showing the cool-off back behind the front as we go into mid and late week, and then, 70s next week as well, so a very warm period of time. This is the other global model, the GFS. Again, it shows that we're very warm Wednesday and Tuesday and Wednesday, and then a cool-off behind the front, a storm system over the weekend, then 80s for much of the following week. The weather app that we have for you is very important during these changeable weather times because it looks like we're going to get into a very active period. Push notifications for watches and warnings that will actually alert you wherever you are. The app knows where you are and it follows you, so you could be going out of town, but it'll also give you warnings for your area wherever you are.
So obviously the big weather event this week will be this Saturday event, possible potential for severe weather. We'll keep an eye on that. That's the big ticket weather this week. We'll be live on the radio this morning, won't we, baby, right? From 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg and Jay and Emily. We hope you join us. And, of course, your forecast whenever you want it across the entire radio dial, day and night, on 8 radio stations. That's the Blue Water family of radio stations. Have a great first day of spring. We're about to take a walk in the park, right, Bailey? Bailey, you want to take a walk? I think she does. I'll see you later. Bye.
Rich Thomas Weather.